Michael, what are some common issues with Infiniti?
With Infiniti,
Yeah.
water pump tends to go out, especially if it's driven by a timing chain.
Devin, what are some common issues with Infiniti?
Coolant leaks, misfires.
Hey, what are some common issues with Infiniti?
Infiniti, they have timing chain driven water pumps. We got one in the shop right now that we're doing. Timing chain issues.
What are some common issues with Infiniti?
Infiniti.
Yeah.
Well, it's a Nissan, so you got transmission issues, a lot of sensor issues, electrical leaks.
What are some common issues with Infiniti?
It breaks down upon purchase, so don't buy it.
What are some common issues with Infiniti?
Common issues with an Infiniti, which is basically a Nissan. I mean, the usual stuff. They have timing correlation issues sometimes. They have oil issues sometimes. Big thing that Nissan and Infinitis are known for is transmission problems, unfortunately. Their CVTs are just not as durable, so fluid services are important to keep up with it. But, yeah, it's going to be a transmission.